I'm just trying my best to share with you the things here. You can see everywhere got big screen, but you can see the pandas all, because this is the panda city. They call the now we are in the stoplight, so we have to wait for the signal. It's still got 25 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay, let's go. Here is the beautiful buildings. Then you can see everywhere the panda. There is a panda. You can see everywhere, even the signboards. Everywhere you can see the pandas. Then even the buildings here. It's a beautiful place, clean. Then there is a lot of people, but I cannot see the mostly the foreigners here, all local Chinese. And then you can see there is a one panda climbing on the building. They just demonstrate the panda is climbing in the building, but actually it's a nice view. So this is the first city I just visited, and then I am showing you live. So I will show you mostly on the live beautiful cities in China, because we are visiting different cities in the China, maybe Shenzhen, Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Guangxi, Nanning, and there is multiple cities that we are visiting, because we have the business conferences that we are visiting the multiple cities. So while I'm walking around just showing you everything here, what's going on, I cannot commentary or put the background music. That's because this is the live session that I'm recording and then sharing with you the live. So that is the very beautiful things here in China. Now you can see closely the panda is climbing on the building, and then there is the Saint Laurent it's a brand, Saint Laurent, and then Fendi brand. There is a local buses that walking around. Then you can drive anywhere you want. There is people doing also the lives. Now you can see the closely the panda is climbing in the building.
他们看包包衣服嘛，包包衣服，我们这边 LV 的、古奇的水货，先给免费店。过来的包包。啊，LV 的、香奈儿的、古奇的，我们看一下嘛。女装你是吧？
There is a thank you. I think no one is live with me. Prada product. Prada is a famous product in worldwide. Then this Prada, and then there is a panda climbing. Thank you. Then there is the Ferragamo, the